Yeah, I'm back again, and I'm going to show you another floppy disk. This was unusual, but it's got these 5 stars. One was red, I don't know why. Here you've got white data, read only. This way you put your name on. The weird thing about this is this line bit here at the top. It's normally metal, and it says HD on it as well. I don't know if it's a HD floppy disk. Yeah, the top bit here is supposed to be like same metal as this, but it's plastic. I don't know why. And yeah, I'll show you the top of it. It's the top of it. It's the sides, very thin. Hence the name floppy disk. Yeah, there's an arrow there. So that's all I can say really. I'll show you the metal bit again. Yeah, it's a short video. It's the end of it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.